Hi, today I'm ready with DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer application. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. So after that, just tap to open the app. And now you will see here all of the applications on your device, so you could use one from these apps. For example, let's use the phone app. You could rename it by click to this edit name icon, or also we got here the library with the 4 different icons. You could use them, or also you could use photo from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera photos, for example. So let's use one from these available icons. So this is the phone one. I'll use this icon. So then just tap on the right upper corner to OK. Just wait a couple of seconds, skip the ads and click add to home screen. You could change next icon by the same way or go to the desktop to check this new icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.